Alright, this is a review of my SAKO Finnbear L61R 270 Winchester. Manufactured in 1972 by SAKO Limited. And what amazes me is the detail engraved in it. It's manufactured in Finland. It's Beaufort steel, which is an English high quality steel. And here's my favorite part, the bottom of the trigger guard and the bottom of the magazine well plate. The detail in the deer here running through the forest and all of these swirls and engraving on it. It is all over the rifle, the engraving. I've shot it a few times. It shoots great. I need a new scope for it. It's kind of basic scope. Let's check out the bolt here. Alright, put it back in. Still smooth action. It's been taken care of since I had it a couple more times in and out. No problem. Yeah, like that. That's how I do it. One more time. Yeah, there we go. Anyway, trigger guard has a little engraving on it. Excuse me. Even the top part here of the upper. I haven't seen a gun like this anywhere with this much detail. I've seen some SAKO Finnbears with a few engravings on it, but nothing like this one. So anyway, that's my SAKO Finnbear. Hope you liked the video. I'm going to try to put some more videos out of different guns and stuff I can scrounge up.